Hey, it's Pania. I have this really fun crochet shopping bag that I'm going to show you how to make today. And to begin, we'll start with a slip knot. We'll make 47 chains from here. Now I have 47 chains. Make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. And then continue making single crochet all the way to the end of the tail. In the last chain, single crochet into the chain. Chain 1, single crochet 2 times into the same chain. Chain 1, single crochet again into the same chain, and then into the next chain, create a single crochet, continue making single crochet all the way to the end of the row. Single crochet into the very last chain, which is also the very first chain of the round. Chain 1, single crochet 2 times into the same chain. Chain 1, and slip stitch into the very first single crochet of the round to finish this round. Chain 1 here, then continue making single crochet all the way to the end of this tail. In the chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch, and then single crochet into the next 2 stitches. In the chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and then continue making single crochet all the way to the end of this tail. At the end of the tail, in the chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch, then single crochet into the next 2 stitches, and then in the chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, then slip stitch into the first single crochet of the round. We'll repeat this for round 3 and round 4, remembering to make single crochet, chain 1, single crochet into each of the chain 1 spaces. To increase the width of the bag, we will turn our work here and single crochet into each of the single crochet all the way to the end of this row. Row 2 and row 3, repeat row 1 to continue extending the width of the bag. For the second side, we'll begin with a new piece of yarn, making a slip knot and attaching it to the other side of the base to extend the bag. We're creating single crochet on this side as well, all the way to the end of the row. For row 2 and 3 on this side, we will repeat row 1 as well to extend the bag. At the end of row 3, turn, chain 1 and single crochet into each of the back loop of the single crochet. Here at the end of the last single crochet, turn your work and single crochet into the side of the bag. Here we'll make 7 single crochet across all the way to the other side. And here's our 7 single crochet. Then turn your work slightly and slip stitch into on the other side. From here, continue making single crochet all the way to the end of the edge. Turn your work slightly and make 7 single crochet in the edge. Then slip stitch into the first single crochet of the round to complete this round. For round 2 to round 20, chain 1 single crochet in each of the single crochet below to the end of the round, slip stitch into the first single crochet of the round. Here, cut the yarn over and pull through. We'll begin with the other color, beginning with a slip knot. Insert your hook into the loop of the first color and then into the slip knot of the second color and pull the second color through. So now we are working with the second color. We'll begin with a chain 1, then single crochet into the first single crochet and continue making single crochet all the way around to the end of this round. So here we are at the end of the round with this color. We will make our last couple of single crochet and slip stitch into the first single crochet. From here, chain 1 and continue making single crochet all the way around. For round 22 to round 30, repeat round 21. Round 31, chain 3 to begin. Skip the first single crochet, double crochet in the next, chain 2, skip 2, and double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, skip 2 stitches and double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1 and skip 1 stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, skip 2 and double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, skip 2, double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this all the way to end of the round. At the end here, chain 2, skip 2, and slip stitch into the first double crochet of the round. Chain 2, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet, 2 double crochet in the chain space, double crochet in the next double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next chain space, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1. At the end here, double crochet 2 into the chain space, then slip stitch into the first double crochet of the round. Round 33, chain 2, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet, and continue making double crochet in the next 6 double crochet. Then chain 1, double crochet in the next 7 double crochet, and repeat that pattern all the way to the end of the round. At the end of the round here, slip stitch into the first double crochet of the round. For round 34, repeat round 33. For round 35 through round 39, repeat round 31 through 34. Round 39 is the same as round 31. Round 40, chain 1, single crochet in the next double crochet, single crochet in the chain 1 space, single crochet in the next double crochet, 2 single crochet in the chain 2 space, single crochet in the next double crochet, 2 single crochet in the next chain 2 space, single crochet in the next double crochet. Then we'll continue to make single crochet into each chain 1 spaces, into each double crochet, and into each chain 2 spaces all the way around. Then slip stitch into the first single crochet, cut the yarn over, and pull through. With a new piece of yarn, make a slip knot and count 6 stitches away from the loose end. Attach the yarn into the 6th stitch and create chainless foundation single crochet stitches. We'll make 45 of the chainless foundation single crochet stitches. So here is 45 chainless foundation single crochet stitch. Then align this chainless foundation crochet stitch to the other end of the bag with a slip stitch. Make sure it is the 6th stitch away from the loose end of the bag, and also the same side where we began the chainless foundation single crochet stitches. Turn your work and then single crochet into each of the chain all the way to the end of this strap. Here's our last single crochet. Then slip stitch into the 2nd stitch on the bag from where we began the attachment. Here, get your scissor and snip off the yarn. Yarn over and pull through the yarn through the loop. And then tug on the loose end to secure your strap onto the bag. Then we'll make another strap for the other side of the bag. We'll start out with a slip knot. Insert your hook into the 6th stitch between the center of the 2 strap. Yarn over and pull through, then begin to make chainless foundation single crochet stitch. We'll also make 45 of those chainless stitches. When you have 45 chainless foundation single crochet stitch, count 6 stitches away from the center between the 2 straps and attach your strap to the bag by creating a slip stitch. Then turn your work to the other side and make single crochet all the way across the strap to the end of the strap. Here we're at the end of the strap. We'll make a single crochet in the last one here, and then slip stitch into the 2nd stitch from where we began the attachment. Cut your yarn here, yarn over, and pull your yarn through. Finally, get the yarn needle and secure your loose ends inside of the bag. If you like to make a strap to tie the top of the bag, use the first color and create 150 chainless foundation single crochet stitches. Secure your loose ends. Then insert this strap through the larger holes at the top of the bag, looping behind 2 and in front of 2 all the way to the middle of the bag again. Then you can secure the bag by creating a bow tie at the front of the bag here. And finally, here is your shopping bag. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to Panyiacrochets.